How to Make a Line Graph Using Excel by Nicole Silvestro. Today we are going to discuss how to make a line graph on Excel given two sets of data. You're going to start by selecting both sets of data as shown here. Then click on the Insert tab found at the top of the page, and if you go to the bottom right section next to the recommended charts, it'll give you different options on how to make a line graph. For this video, we are going to go down to the second row and select the Line with Markers option. As you can see, this creates the graph as shown below. Now I will quickly demonstrate how to label both the axis and the title of the graph. For the title, you want to click on the chart title that pops up, double click, and name it whatever you'd like. For this, I'm going to name it The Effect of X on Y. Next, make sure you're selecting the graph still, and at the top left corner you'll see an Add Chart Elements button. Select that and hover your mouse over Axis Titles and then select Primary Horizontal. This will then pop up an axis title on the bottom where you could select and rename it to whatever you'd like. For this video, I will be naming it X-Axis. Then, making sure you still have the graph selected, you're going back up to that Add Chart element over the axis title and select Primary Vertical. Once this is done, you then can select the axis title box and name it Y-axis. As you can see, this creates your very own line graph on Excel with clearly labeled title, axes, and a legend at the bottom indicating each of the two lines and the data that they correlate with. Thank you for watching, and I hope this answers any questions that you may have had.